are you? I hope all are enjoying at your home. This is our English class. Today we will learn sound of letter G and H. As you know children, we have already learned sound A to F. So come and learn with me. This is letter G. Sound of letter G is G. Sound of letter G is G. G, G, grapes. G, G, grapes. G, G, gun. G, G, gun. G says G. G says G. You can make more words from sound of G. G, G, grass. G, G, gown. G, G, gate. G is for girl. G, G, G. G is for girl. G, G, G. This is letter H. Sound of letter H is H. Sound of letter H is H. H, H, hut. H, H, hut. H, H, hat. H, H, hat. H says H. H says H. You can make more words from sound of H. H, H, hand. H, H, honey. H, H, hearts. H is for hand. Ha, ha, ha. H is for hand. Ha, ha, ha. So children, you will revise it and enjoy. But before going, I want to tell you a poem. I like to hop